Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how can you share your Upwork profile link very easily. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Upwork app updated to the latest version. And first let's start from the app. So once you open the app, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. And from here, tap on profile at the very top right here, and you'll be taken, of course, to your profile. Wait for it to load up. And as soon as it loads up, you can tap right here on this button. And as soon as you tap on it, it will be copied and the profile link will be copied. If you want to do that from your browser, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. From there, go to upwork.com and tap on my profile right here. Again, from here, once your profile loads up, again tap on the same button in the bottom right corner and your link will be copied. It is that easy, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.